Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Brother Dan.
Wish you and always pray for your abundance, prosperity, in health, spiritual, financial, and every aspect of your life, fortune of your desires and vision in life, as a couple, as an individual, as a family, and as a community. May you bring forth all the blessings in life to others, lalo na yung nangangailangan. Salamat bro sa servisyo, sa iyong love for the community.
Wish you all your heart's desires, whatever it is. Of course, we are here praying for all of it. Okay, so happy birthday once again, and we miss you. So hope to see you guys
Again,
Happy birthday!
Hello, Brother Reden. It's a surprise greetings from Bulacan, Santa Maria, Bulacan. Happy birthday sa iyo. Ika-50 taon. You're a golden boy. Welcome. At salamat at nakasama ka namin. Sana bigyan ka pa ng maraming araw, taon at celebration sa buhay mo. Happy birthday, Bro Reden.
Happy birthday, Bro Reden. Golden boy na talaga. And thank you sa pinagsamahan natin. At naway, bigyan ka pa ng maraming birthday, maraming taon na ma-celebrate natin yung birthday mo na magkakasama tayo. Happy birthday, Bro Reden.
At saka,
Mahal ka namin.
yun.
Happy 50th birthday, Bro Reden!
Welcome to the golden years.
God bless you and may God grant all your prayers.
We love you. We miss you.
God bless.
Happy birthday, Bro Reden. Happy golden birthday. Huh? Welcome to the club. No? And of course, we wish you good health and of course peace and happiness, no, and love.
Continue your support and love to everyone. Happy birthday,
Happy birthday, Brother
Brother
Reden.
Eden. See you soon.
Yes, we miss you. And
Miss you.
yung lahat ng katoks, we miss you. And of course, we love you.
We love you
Happy
all.
birthday again. See you.
I've been sharing this faith, service, and family together. Hindi namin kayo makakalimutan. Actually, miss na namin kayo. And you are always in our prayers and in our thoughts, no? Alam namin na you're doing okay, you're doing great sa inyong service dyan, and napakadami pang taong natatouch nyo. And si Brother Reden, talagang saludo kami dyan ever since that we've met him. Ano siya bukas ang kanyang puso, ang kanyang tahanan, ino-open niya ang kanyang pamilya at buhay sa ibang tao. Kaya alam namin ever since na talagang malayo ang mararating nila in service. Happy birthday, bro, and alam namin na magiging maayos din ang lahat sa inyong pamilya, sa inyong mga anak. Darating ang panahon, magkakasama sa
Happy birthday, Pate. Maraming salamat sa pagiging pati mo sa amin, sa aming mag-asawa. Maraming salamat sa always na pag-welcome sa aming lahat, pagpunta sa bahay mo. Maraming salamat sa pagbubukas ng pintuan ng tahanan mo. At maraming salamat sa pagbilang mo sa amin bilang kapamilya.
And ang masasabi ko lang kay Pate is nakakatuwa or nakakamangha yung galing nila sa pagpapalaki ng mga anak nila, kasi kahit malayo sila, nakikita namin kung gaano magkagalang, kabait yung mga bata.
Happy birthday, Tyre din! Welcome sa Golden Years. Yan, magkasama tayo sa age bracket na to. Nakakatuwa naman. Anyway, simple message lang, simple wish. Wishing you another wonderful year of happiness and joy. Happy birthday sa'yo. God bless you always. and enjoy your day. Again, happy birthday sa iyo, Tay Reden. Maraming salamat po.
Hello, Nay! Tay! Tay, happy birthday ha! Happy 50th birthday and more birthdays to come. Siyempre, salamat sa love nyo sa aming mag-asawa. Ha?
Happy birthday, Tay! We love you!
God bless po!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Ninang Reden. Wishing you good health and many more blessed years to come. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Kuya Reden. I wish for all your heart's desires to be blessed in God's perfect time. And we honor you for all that you do to serve the Lord through our CFC community.
And I still remember, I don't know if you still remember, no, Ate Rose, when I invited you to be part of our community, told me that Paring Reden was very hesitant to join because he's a shy type person at mahihayin siya, hindi siya makakapag-lead na ano mang gagawin natin sa community. But now, here you are, being one of the top leaders of CFC Qatar, and we are so blessed and inspired by you both, the way you serve the Lord. So I really honor you for your passion and dedication to serve God and His people. So we just wish you more years and healthy years ahead of you. And we will be always praying for your family. Happy birthday, Paring Reden!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday po, Tito. You know, I miss your accent and your spaghetti po. But I hope you take care of yourself po, and I hope that you stay healthy and happy po.
Yun. Happy birthday, Pate. Happy 50th birthday. Kalain mo, no? 50 ka na. So,
Mukha lang 40.
Oo nga. Anyway, happy birthday. I hope you have a wonderful birthday celebration, especially dyan sa Pilipinas. At I miss serving with you. And again, happy birthday. I wish you all the best.
Happy birthday, bro! My favorite brother. We miss, tulad sinabi ni Daddy, we miss serving with you. We hope that you will enjoy the celebration with your family, most especially with the
Amen.
kids and Apos. Happy birthday. We miss you and we love you, Pate!
Happy birthday, Pate!
More blessed years ahead of you. Happy birthday!
Kampai!
Cheers!
Hello, pare. Happy birthday. Papati na lang ako sa'yo. Alam ko naman saya ka sa birthday mo ngayon. Tutuwa ako sa mga blessings na natatanggap ko. Sa iyong pamilya, sa iyong asawa, sa iyong mga happy birthday, and God bless.
Ang dami niyong blessing kay Lord. At saka continuous praying to God dahil siya lang lahat naman ang nagbibigay ng mga blessings sa atin.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. God bless you, Reden. Happy birthday.
Kilala mo ba ako kung sino ako? Sana kilala mo pa yung boses ko. Ang BFF mo, taga Negros. Ala, 50 ka na. Golden years na. Wish you all the best. More blessings and good health. At sana magkita pa tayo pag nagbakasyon kayo.
Hello, happy birthday, pamangking kong pogi. At ako'y bumabati sa iyo ng isang masaya. At sana'y patuloy ang iba yung magandang kalusugan. Pinagkakalob sa atin ng Panginoon. At ang hiling ko sa kaarawan mo, mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Basta happy birthday, ingat kayo dyan palagi at ingat sa pag-uwi.
Brad, happy birthday ha. Saka sana marami pang birthday ang lasapin mo sa iyong buhay. Okay lang.
King kong pinakapogi. Happy birthday na naway humaba pa ang maraming birthday na lasapin mo. Ha? Happy birthday! Happy birthday. Sana ingatan mo yung katawan mo kamukha noon. Na ospital ka, siyempre nag-intindi din yung tita mo. Ikaw kasi una naming pamangkin, kaya mahal na mahal ka namin. Ingatan mo yung sarili mo.
Happy birthday, Tatay Reden. See you soon po. We love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Reden. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Reden, for 50th anniversary, 50th birthday.
Happy 50th birthday, Reden!
Wish you all the best, Reden. Good health. God bless Kuya.
Happy 50th birthday!
Happy birthday, Kuya. Enjoy mo ang iyong karawan. More birthdays to come and hope to see you soon. Ingat kayo lagi dyan.
Happy birthday po, Tatay. Sana po ay lagi kayo mag-ingat dyan. Sana po maging masaya rin po kayo sa araw na to. Excited na po kami makasama kayo ni Nanay. Love na love po namin kayo.
Happy birthday, Tay. I just wanted to let you know that I'm forever grateful to God for giving us a strong and loving Father. And may He continue to give you good health and continue to bless your heart and our family, of course. And yun lang. I can't wait to see you na po. Love you and miss you. See you soon.
Aming pinakamamahal na Ama, gusto po kitang batiin ng maligayang kaarawan. Mag-iingat po kayo palagi, good health, at mahal na mahal po namin kayo.
Tatay, happy birthday po. Wish ko po sa inyo, sana bigyan pa po kayo ni Lord ng malakas na pangangatawan, malayo sa anumang karamdaman, at alagaan nyo po mabuti ang sarili nyo. Thank you po sa lahat. Happy birthday po ulit, Tatay.
Tatay, happy birthday! Wala na kaming ibang mahihiling pa sa'yo kung hindi sana makasama ka pa namin sa marami mo pang birthday kayo ni Nanay. Lagi mong ingatan yung sarili mo, iwasan mo na yung mga bawal sa'yo. Mahal na mahal ka namin, Tatay. Happy birthday po. Go.
Tatay, Dad.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Love you.
Miss you.
Miss you. See you. Mwah.
Sino ang chapter head mo?
Si Brother Reden ang chapterhead ko. Maligayang ika-50 taon sa iyo. Salamat sa pagpapala na nakadaupang palad ka namin. Bukod tanging ka namin ipinagmamalaki na chapterhead. Hiling namin sa iyo ang marami pang pagdiriwang ng darating kasama ang iyong lumalaking pamilya. Pagpalain ka sana ng Diyos. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tatay Reden!
Golden boy!
Happy birthday, Tatay Reden!
Huwag ka magpupuyat.
Wish you good health, Reden.
God bless.
God bless.
Good day.
Happy 58th birthday,
Tatay
Reden, from
Pilipinas,
Quezon.
Happy 50th birthday, Tatay Reden!
Love from Precious Household.
Happy birthday!
We love you.
We love you!
Happy 50th birthday, Tatay Reden.
Happy 50th birthday, Tatay Reden, from Philippines with love. God bless you po!
Happy 50th birthday, Tate Riden.
Happy birthday, Tatay Reden. God bless po. Mama, chup chup.
Happy 50th birthday, Tatay Riden. May you continue to lead our group.
God bless.
Happy 50th birthday, Tatay Reden. God bless. From Bali, Indonesia.
Happy 50th birthday, Tatay Reden. God bless you.
Happy 50th birthday, Tatay. Enjoy your day. Sana na-surprise ka sa ginawang video, greetings, and more blessings. Happy birthday.
Happy 50th birthday, Tatay Riden.